So today I want to show you guys how to use wastewater dispenser bottles to plant vegetables in your balcony, your home, your backyard. You need some few equipment to get it done, and one of them is a driller. You need a driller because since it's a bottle, you need to create some holes for drainage in case where you are putting the bottle it's not under any shade or anything. When it rains or when you water the plant, there should be a place for water to drain out and all that, and also get a place for some air to come in. So you need this one to do the drilling, and then you need a saw to cut the bottles depending on depending on what sizes and type you want to make from these bottles. You need a cutter to cut some portions, and then your bit, depending on how big you want the holes to be. So you need your bit. So I have the concrete bit and I have the wooden bit that I will use to do the creating. Yes, I have this one here just to be like, if I want to divide this bottle into two, just to take the measurement and then ensure that like I'm not cutting one side smaller or bigger than the other. And of course, the main ingredient, your water dispenser bottles, which I have a lot, but I'm just using this one as an example to show you how to get it done. So the first demonstration, I'm going to divide this into two, and if I divide this into two, I can either use the two together or I can use them separately. So first, if I check this whole bottle, the length is 22 inch, so I'm going to divide it into two, so 11. So I get my with my small saw, so I get this done into two. So I use my cutter to, I have my two pieces here. So with these two pieces, I can decide to like just take off. So let me just take off this here. Good. So I can either use it this way. So with this, I will fill this side with the soil, and then I will fill the bottom with the water, so that the plant or whatever I have inside will be picking the water from here. So I will not be watering directly on the plant with this one. Or if I want to use only this one, then I need to do the next thing by creating hole around and down for drainage purposes. So that is why I will need my driller to not do the hose as many as you can, and then I drill the side. So you can see I've created enough holes for drainage. So I can use just this one, fill it with my fertile soil, and then I plant whatever I want to plant inside. Let's cut another one that can help us to plant 2 seeds at a go. So I take my cutter. So I cut like some few inches. So up to here. So as you can see, I've created a hole. So you fill the soil through here, and then when it's done, you can plant 2 seedling here, as compared to this that you can only do one. With these 2, you need to do the drilling as we've done for the previous one. Yes, so you have your 3 different types of using your waste water dispenser bottles to plant seed. If you want to use this one alone, with this, you need to, maybe in your backyard, you dig some small hole so that you can plant that bottom inside, and then you fill the soil inside this one, and then you plant. So with this, you will not be having this ant from the ground and all those things eating up your vegetables. These are the 3 shapes you can get from your waste dispenser bottles. This, which you can plant 2 seedling out of it, depending on the type of seedling that you are planting. And this also 1, but you can plant in this separately and plant in this separately. If you find this video very informative and helpful, come back for our next video on how we actually planted seedling in these bowls. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload new videos, you will get it.